Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuide. How to add gradient to text in Canva. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an updates from us. So let's start. First of all, head into Canva from your favorite browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. Over here, I am in Canva. Then I will create one custom size design. Over here, I am in new workspace. Then to add gradient to text, I will write one text, add gradient to text. Over here you can see I have written one text as add gradient to text. Then I will change font of this text to Archivo Black. Okay, you can see here our text is ready. I will change its color to white. Okay, you can see here it's not visible. Okay, no worries. Then I will choose one gradient background. Okay, I will choose this one. You can see our text is now visible. Then what I'll do is increase the transparency of my text to around 50% from here. You can see here the transparency of our text is decreased. Then I'll simply download this image. Now re-upload the image which you recently downloaded. In my case, okay, this is what I have recently downloaded. I will delete this previous text and gradient. Then I will drag this design to my workspace. Then what I'll do is remove its background. You can see here the gradient is added to the text, but it is quite faint. To restore this color, head into edit photo, then go to adjust. Over here you can see brightness. Simply lower the brightness to around, I'll choose this much. Okay, I have decreased brightness. Then I will simply increase contrast to around. You can see here color is restoring. Then I'll go to here colors. Then increase this saturation to around 40. Okay, this much. Then also I will increase this vibrance. So you can see here we have added a pretty gradient to our text in Canva. So in this way we can add gradient to text in Canva. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to share your views in the comment below. Have a good time.